Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You can't simply switch the Gmail. Com domain on an existing free account. That's why you must pick an option now. First, choose whether to create a new Gmail with the desired handle, use Gmail forwarding, or set up Google Workspace with a custom domain. Once done, gather login access for the old account, enable two-step verification, and make a list of services tied to the address so you can update them later. This makes migration predictable and reduces lost access. You now create the replacement. For a free Gmail, sign up with the chosen username and enable two-step verification for security. For a business address, register a domain and create a Google Workspace account, then add users and update MX records at your registrar. Next, migrate mail by exporting with Google Takeout or using Gmail's mail fetcher /POP import to pull old messages into the new inbox. Make sure to test send /receive and folder labels so organization is intact. Finish by updating every service and contact with your new address and enable forwarding from the old account so nothing is missed. Set an auto-reply that informs senders of the change. For Workspace, confirm MX, SBF, DKIM, and DMARC settings and wait for DNS propagation. Then test sending to and from external addresses. If mail doesn't arrive, check DNS entries, reauthorize any third-party apps, confirm migration completed, and review storage quotas. Those steps resolve the vast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.